Boys, this is the new Silverado, and this is the new Mercedes W124. These two are the newest cars in the game that cost real money. And on this video, I'm going to be attempting to get them for free on a brand new account, without spending any real money. Now, I've already done challenges similar to this in the past, and you guys love them, so I thought why not do something similar again, but with a tiny twist. But as usual, before we get into the video, I'd first like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. If you also want a shout out in the next video, then make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment shout out. Moreover, I just want to say that thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate each and every one of you boys. Your support genuinely means a lot to me, bro, but enough of that, let's get into the video.
Okay.
Okay, bro, so right now I've got $1.5 million, which I got from collecting a couple of gift boxes, and I'm gonna use it to buy a nice low-budget car, like the Subaru BRZ, that costs $500,000. Okay, boys, now what I'm gonna do is create a really nice and easy design that we can sell for some extra cash, because the $1 million we have left won't be enough to buy the new cars.
Okay, let's go.
Years later.
Alright boys, so I'm finally done designing the car now, and this is how it turned out. As you guys can probably tell, I ended up adding quite a lot of stuff like new body kits, rims, a license plate, and so on. After making this entire design, we're left with a little bit over $600,000. And in case you guys are wondering, it only took about 20 minutes to make this entire thing. Anyways, now that the car's ready, let's head over to sales and see if we can find a buyer. Okay, bro, this server does look pretty crowded. There's a lot of players, and that's a good thing. Alrighty, now if we look at the cars that are up for sale, I'd say they're all overpriced, but we're not here for that, so let's go ahead and list our car.
What the f?
Bro, there's no ways this guy just stole our parking. I wonder if he'd be interested in a trade. I mean, that'd be a really sweet deal. A police Nissan R32 for a Subaru BRZ. Okay, boys, I've just joined another server. Because the previous one was full, we couldn't sell our car. And this one looks like there's a lot of new players, judging by the cars they're driving and the price of the cars they've put up for sale. But I'm gonna go ahead and list my car, and if nobody buys it, we're just gonna keep on switching servers until we can hopefully find a buyer.
One eternity later.
So, I ended up leaving that server, and now we're on a different one. I'm not gonna lie, this one does look very promising. Most of the players are driving premium cars, and some of them are even using glitch cars. I even saw one of the players driving the new Silverado, and I decided to take a chance and ask him for a trade, which turned out to be a really good decision, because he agreed to trade with us.
Oh my God!
Alright boys, now because we only have $613,000, we're gonna go to some online servers and see if we can find a car that we can quickly flip for some money.
Let's go.
Right away, I noticed that the first server we joined is packed of rich players. Because of that, finding a bargain might actually be difficult, as most people here already have a lot of cash. But I decided to stick around a little longer because on servers like this, where everyone is driving a cool car or the newest cars in the game, there's always a chance someone will sell a car for just $1, basically giving it away. And staying on the server actually ended up being worth it, because eventually someone sold a car, far below its actual value. making it a pretty incredible deal. The Aston Martin is one of the newest cars in the game that was only added a few months ago. It costs 1,500 coins, or 2,500 coins if I'm not mistaken. And the fact that we were actually able to get our hands on one that has a W16 engine for $500,000 is mind-boggling. For this car, I decided to keep it simple and paint the body and rims black. There wasn't much point in making a custom design since the car is already in high demand. Plus, we only had $100,000 left in our budget, which definitely wasn't enough to make a decent livery. By the way, bro, if you've made it this far, make sure to comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
I always appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the videos all the way through. Anyway, after finishing up the car, I got pretty lucky once again. I ended up joining another server that was full of wealthy players, and whenever that happens, there's usually a much better chance of finding someone willing to spend big money on a good car. In my opinion, the car is easily worth $20 million, so I decided to list it at that price. After a short wait, one of the players bought it, and just like that, we had made a huge profit. That sale gave us a lot more money to work with as we headed into our final flip on the road to the Mercedes W124. But it wasn't going to be easy from here, because even with all that money, we still needed to find the right car, something valuable enough to catch people's attention, and hopefully worth enough to trade for the Mercedes W124. So with that in mind, I headed back to the online market to see what I could find. Instead of server hopping like I had been doing for most of the challenge, I decided to stay in the same server for a while. The main reason was that this server already had a lot of wealthy players, and I figured I'd have a better chance of finding good deals if I just stayed patient and kept an eye on the marketplace. After waiting for a bit, only 2 cars were listed for sale, a BMW M4 competition and a Golf Mark 7. Since the M4 competition is a premium car that normally costs real money, it had a much higher value and a lot more trading potential. So without wasting any time, I bought the BMW and hoped it would be the final piece we needed to get our hands on the Mercedes W124. After finishing the design on the BMW M4 competition, it was finally time to start looking for the Mercedes W124. I spent quite a while jumping between different servers, searching for players who owned one. Unfortunately, things didn't go as planned. No matter how many servers I joined, I just couldn't find anyone who had a Mercedes W124. At that point, I decided to trade the M4 for the new Ford Mustang with 1,695 horsepower. It wasn't exactly the Mercedes W124 that we had been working towards, but considering how difficult it is to find one, I think it's still a solid trade and a good way to end the challenge. Let me know down in the comments. Would you have made the same trade, or would you have kept the BMW and continued searching for the W124? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay sexy, boys. Peace.